story, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. It is written by William Sarion. Very simple, very easy story. Listen to me carefully. First I am telling you just in brief what is there in this story. This story is about two Armenian boys. Their names were Aram and Murad. They belong to the Garulanian family. Their tribe is known for their honesty. They are poor and can hardly earn money for food. They both crave to ride a horse. They are fond of horse riding. Murad had stolen a horse from a farmer a month ago. One early morning, he brought it to the window of Aram and asked him to come along for a ride. They rode the horse for many days, and when Aram gets to know the horse is stolen, he is shocked but discounts the stealing in his mind. One day, the owner of the house, John Byro, comes to his house to complain about his missing horse to Uncle Khosrow, uncle of these two boys. One day, on their way back to hide the horse on the deserted vineyard, they come across the owner, means John Byro, and they feel guilty at the end of the day. And very next morning, what they did, they returned the horse to the owner's barn. We are going to read this in this story, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. Very simple, very easy. They are two boys just like you people. How crazy they are, just listen. Aram and Murad were two poor boys who belonged to the Armenian Garulanian family, who were known for their honesty for the last 11 centuries. One early morning, when Aram was asleep and was enjoying pleasant dreams, his cousin Murad showed up to the window of his room with a beautiful white horse. Aram could not believe it and was thinking that it was a dream, but since there was a little light outside, he knew this for sure, that the horse was real, it was not a dream. As they were poverty-stricken, he could not believe that the horse was their own. He was trying to figure out if the horse had been stolen by his cousin. Murad had come to invite him for a ride along with him. He asked him to make it quick before everyone in the world wakes up. Aram wore his clothes and jumped out of the window and sat behind Murad on the horse. Then what happened? They rode on the old countryside for the area where they lived. Walnut Avenue was the place of their locality. And after some time, Murad asked him to get off, as he wanted to ride the horse alone. Aram asked him if he could also ride the horse alone just like him, to which Murad said they would see, as it was for his own safety. He got to know that Murad had stolen the horse a month ago and was riding it every morning. Then, when Aram got his chance of a ride, the horse took him to the vineyard and threw him off and ran away. After searching for 30 minutes, means or half an hour, Murad finally managed to find the horse, and they hid him in a deserted vineyard that had some oats and some other cereals. Means the horse could not die of hunger there. Murad had a way with everything, especially horses. He knew how to handle them. He knew how to handle every type of animal and also humans. Every morning for 2 weeks, they would take the horse for a ride and then hide it again. One day, John Byro came to Aram's house to talk to his uncle Khosrow, who was an irritated and loud man who shouted at almost everything and everyone. John Byro told him about his missing horse whom he bought at $60. For 1 month, he could not find it and he walked for 10 miles to come to their house. Khosrow rode at him, shouted at him, and told him, "It is no harm, pay no attention to it." Byro became irritated by his attitude and he went away. Aram went to Murad and told him about the missing horse of John Byro and asked him not to return the horse until he learns to ride it. Murad told him that it would take 1 year for him to learn to ride the horse. He further added, very angrily he added, that they could not be thieves as their tribe, their family is known for honesty, and said that they would return the horse after 6 months. 6 months. One day, on their way back to hide the horse to the hidden spot, what happened? They came across John Byro, who was going back to the town. He asked the boys and carefully examined the horse. He admitted that the horse looked exactly like the one he had, but since he knew their parents and the honesty of their family, he did not believe that they had his missing horse. He assumed it was a twin. Twin means exactly the same horse of his. Murad managed to let Byro assume that it was not his horse, so they went away. Then the next morning, both of them took the horse back to John Byro's vineyard and put it in the van. The dogs followed them all along quietly and they left the place. The same afternoon, John Byro came back to his house to tell his mother about his horse who had come back. He was happy and was astonished, means he was surprised to see the horse better temper and it was stronger than ever. Uncle Khosrow again rode, "Quiet man, quiet. Your horse has been returned. Pay no attention to it." Uncle Khosrow is a comic character in this story. Yes, I hope you must have understood it. Go through the story word by word and you will easily understand it. Thank you.